Hi, in this video the Legalraasta team will teach you all about the filing of sales tax return in India, its definition and features. Now, what is the meaning of sales tax return filing? Value added tax, VAT, registration or taxpayer identification number, TIN. Registration is a tax registration required for business trading or manufacturing goods in India. Any business entity engaged in the sale of goods in India with turnover of over rupees 5 lakh is mandatory to register sales tax. VAT is collected and represented by the state government, so every state government in India has distinct guidelines applicable for their state based on the type of goods manufactured or sold. Sales tax return filing has multiple features. VAT is a tax levied on sale of goods within the state in India. Producer and dealer should obtain VAT registration if their annual sale is more than rupees 5 lakhs, rupees 10 lakhs in some states. VAT is determined and collected by state government, so each state has different VAT rules and regulations. VAT is not levied on goods which are exported from India. Payment of VAT is deposited in designated bank quarterly in case of proprietary firms, partnership firms or limited liability partnership, and monthly in case of another type of business entities, like companies. VAT returns must be filed monthly on the 20th. You can either file the documents at the regional sales tax office in your respective territory or use Legalraasta services for filing the sales tax return. With Legalraasta you can file the sales tax return by filling a simple online form available online at our website. The package for sales tax return filing starts at rupees 750. Legalraasta.com is India's top destination for legal and company matters. We can help you informing any type of business entity, example private limited company, LLP, filing individual and company return, helping companies for their compliances such as ROC filings and minutes, protecting work through trademark and copyright. We are a trusted partner with multiple top-level expertise and affiliation, and yet cost-effective. So log on now at legalraasta.com to file your sales tax return or mail us at contact@legalraasta.com.